Hey guys, it's Dana. Today I wanted to walk you through my nail care routine. It's been my most requested video on Instagram and TikTok, so I wanted to do an updated video and go into as much detail as I can. I quickly wanted to mention that there are many factors that contribute to your nail health. For me specifically, genetics plays a big role, but when I didn't have this routine, my nails were brittle and would break easily. With that being said, let's get started. I now use glass nail files and highly recommend that you do too. They cause much less abrasion to your natural nails compared to regular files, and I like to file in one direction to prevent the nail keratin from fraying. I do this before every manicure. And I love that these files are reusable, you just have to wash them with soap and water. I then use a 280 grit buffer to further seal and smooth out the nail keratin to prevent it from snagging on anything. I also like to use it to smooth out any keratin frays on my actual nail plate. This next step is optional. I'd only recommend using a nail strengthener if your nails are very soft and flimsy, but if your nails are already strong or if you overuse these strengtheners, it'll make your nails super rigid, thus more prone to snapping. We want our nails to have some flexibility. As you can see, my index nail is strong yet flexible, which is exactly what we want, whereas my pinky nail is very flimsy and it feels like it's gonna snap in half. So I'm only gonna apply strengthener on this nail. Now it's time to moisturize, and just like with any skincare routine, we're going to start with our water-based products first. I've been loving this hydrating lotion from CND. It contains avocado oil, shea butter, and prebiotic complex. I like to really massage it into my hands and into my nails and cuticles as well. I do this about a few times a day. And don't worry, you don't specifically have to buy hand cream. A lot of the time I just use body cream on my hands as well. But if you do want to get hand cream, it also doesn't have to be expensive. I got a pack of these from the dollar store and I put one in my purse, on my desk, and at work. Now onto the oil-based products. I swear by this keratin treatment. It contains both jojoba oil and sweet almond oil, which moisturizes and conditions the nails and cuticles, as well as keratin protein that helps strengthen the nail plate since our nails are mainly made up of keratin. I apply this every night before I go to bed and massage it in. And the last step is cuticle oil. This one's my favorite. I apply it in the same way that I applied the keratin treatment. If you're going to use one product from this video, please use cuticle oil. It hydrates your nails, resulting in less breakage and increased flexibility. Massaging it in will promote blood flow to your nails and help them grow, and it keeps your manicure intact by preventing chipping. I do this 2 to 3 times a day. And that's it for my nail care routine. Let me know in the comments what your nail care routine is, what products you use, and if you have any questions. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok.